everyone, welcome back. This is another DIY video and Christmas is coming up and I want to teach you guys how to make a beautiful, soft, cozy blanket. That way you can give it out as a Christmas gift, a handmade Christmas gift. And Disney Plus just came out, so it's a nice way to snuggle up with a family and watch a movie and have a movie night by the fire. So let's get started. This is really simple. All you're going to need is a pair of scissors and 3 to 6 of these comfy yarns, depending on what size you want. If you want like more of a baby blanket, you're going to get 3, a small throw blanket about 4 to 5, and then 6 for a larger throw blanket. And I'm going to be using 6, but you only see 5 on the table because I need to run out and get one more. Plan your pattern ahead of time. This would be a really cute pattern. Right here it's kind of a more stripy look, but I am gonna actually be going for this right here. 2 grays, then 2 whites, and then 2 teals. All right, let's make the first loop. So you're gonna make like a cursive letter E, like that, a little loop. For the first one, you want a nice sized tail, and then you're gonna take your fingers through the loop and pull a piece. And this one you're gonna want tight, but the other loops you're not gonna want as tight. But this one you want pretty snug. And now we're just gonna keep doing that same motion over and over. Just keep looping. You wanna count 30 of these knots. So I'm at 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna go all the way to 30. My little nephew. I'm gonna go all the way to 30, guys, and then I'll show you what happens when we get to the end. Alright, this is number 30 right here. This is the only time you're ever gonna flip. You're never gonna flip after this. So I'm flipping everything over. And then you're just gonna take this. So this is number 30, leave that one alone, and just go right in here and continue the same thing we just did. Right in here. Right in here. So you can make it tighter if you want. I'm going for more of a loosey-goosey type of blanket with like some holes in the fuzz, but you can definitely make it tighter. These are the new loops for the second row. Alright, so remember you've already flipped it over. You're never going to flip it over again. And you're going to skip this loop right here. This is going to create a border. So now we're just looping back this way, skipping the first one, the same thing. That's number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Remember, try to keep your loops consistent, like the same, eyeball them so they're about the same size. Number 4, and just keep on going. Alright, so you can see here that I need to keep taking this through the rest of the loops, but it has ended. So since I'm doing the same color, I'm just going to take the new set of yarn and just tie a little knot and continue. But if you are changing the color, then you really have to like take this whole row out. So basically don't even do this row, and then start the new color all the way on the end. You don't want to start a new color in the middle of a row. Alright, so I'm going to tie the white and the gray with the white together. And just gonna tuck this under. And then just cut. All right, so after looping and looping and looping, finally at the last row right here. So let me show you guys how to do this last row. You want to make the loops a little bit loopier, bigger for this last row because you're going to be looping the loops into each other. That's a lot of loops. Okay, make them a little bigger for the last row. So what you're going to do is take this guy right here and take the second one and put the second loop into the first loop. And then just keep taking them into each other like that. This is how you are ending your beautiful masterpiece of a blanket. Hope this is making sense. So it pretty much looks like the very first row we made. And just keep on going. It's getting there. I'm telling you guys, this will make a beautiful Christmas present. The last knot, taking this into here, and then you still want to secure it, and you have this little tail. So I'm left with this loop, and what I'm going to do is take the tail and put it through here to secure it, and I'm going to kind of just hide this tail into the blanket. And I don't need it this long, so I'm going to cut it. You could literally get a sewing needle and sewing string and just sew the end, but I have like about, I don't know, 5 inches. I'm just going to tuck it into the blanket, the existing blanket. And if you want to, you could even tie a little knot, but I feel like this is secure. I hope this was a helpful I hope this was a helpful video for all of those who want to make a homemade Christmas gift made with love. And I'm gonna snuggle up with this guy and watch the Redskins game with my husband and son. Have a great day, everyone.